30 Days of Policing, Day 4. I know you're back for more. Today, we're going to talk about building relationships within the community. The easiest way I can present this as far as building relationships in the community is it's like being a parent. The number one thing you have to do is be present. Like you have to be in your community. You just got to be around. Don't overcomplicate it. The more you're around, the more people will engage you, the more people will interact with you. You also have to not be a liar. That goes along with that's a parenting tip too, but that goes along with building relationships in your community. Don't be a liar. Just tell the truth. What happens is police officers let egos get in the way and it causes them to lie because they don't want to be wrong. If someone knows more than you about a subject, let them educate you on that subject. Your job is to be there. Your job is to be around in case someone needs help, in case they need something, in case they have a question. The police officers who people see often are the ones they begin to trust. Because out of any other police officer that could be there, it seems like you're always there. You're always here, just like a parent. So to build trust and foster quality relationships within your community, just be around. 30 Days of Policing, Day 4. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, follow, subscribe for more content related to all things policing.